In today's digital age, keeping our personal information safe is more important than ever. Here are some tips to ensure your online safety. Firstly, it's vital to be mindful of your digital footprint. Once information is posted online, deleting it entirely becomes nearly impossible. Regularly reviewing your social media accounts and removing unnecessary posts or comments revealing personal information is imperative. Second, enabling two-factor authentication for critical accounts adds an extra layer of security by requiring a secondary form of verification beyond just a password. This additional step ensures that even if your password is compromised, unauthorized access to your accounts is prevented. Thirdly, always logging out of accounts when you finish using them, especially on public computers or shared computers, is essential to shield personal information from unauthorized access. Failure to log out can leave your accounts vulnerable to exploitation by others who may use the computer after you. This simple practice significantly reduces the risk of unauthorized access to your accounts and protects sensitive information from prying eyes. Fourth, meticulously reviewing permissions and limiting access to essential information is crucial to protecting your privacy effectively. Many apps and websites request access to a wide range of data, often more than what is necessary for their intended functions. Take the time to carefully review these permissions and only grant access to the information required for the app or website to operate. By doing so, you minimize the amount of personal data shared and mitigate the risk of data exploitation by unauthorized parties. Lastly, consider using browser extensions that block trackers and ads to enhance your online security. These extensions not only improve your browsing experience by reducing distractions and speeding up page load times, but also protect privacy by preventing third-party trackers from monitoring your online activities. Additionally, blocking ads reduces the risk of encountering malicious advertisements that may contain malware or phishing attempts. Look for reputable browser extensions that have positive reviews and regularly update them to ensure they provide the most up-to-date protection. By following these tips, you can make it much more difficult for third parties to intercept your information and keep your online presence secure. Thanks for tuning in to today's Tech Tip. See you on the next one.